Daniel. You ready to go?
All right.
Start explaining.
Have a pen.
Pen.
How do I write it with it?
Okay. You have to touch the pencil icon on the.
This one?
Nope. That. So you're doing 1B, right? So what did you do for 1B? Go.
I thought we're doing this one, and I thought since 10 pennies are 20% of a pile of blank pennies, 20 times. I first knew that like a pile. Well, I know. I'm explaining it first. So I knew that it had to be one whole would be like 100.
Oh, I love that.
So, and I knew that one either doesn't really matter which one you do. I like multiplication, and you can like divide it by 20 to get the 5. So now I know that 20 times 5 is 100, or 100 divided by 20 is 5. And I'm going to draw my circles here.
The circles help me. Does anybody else like the circles?
I do. I like the circles.
It just goes to show that everybody likes to think of things different way. Ben has this really neat way of saying this.
No. Dang it.
Don't erase yours, and Owen, don't erase when you wrote.
Okay. Wait, but I did like exactly what she did. I don't like it.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
And
Ben and Noah have like very similar.
and then after I drew my circles,
Yeah, that's it. Great, thanks.
and then I knew that each one had to represent 20% because we're talking about like 20 times 5 equaling 100. 100 being one whole, and if 10 pennies are 20% of the pile, then each 20% would have to be 10 pennies.
That's exactly what I thought.
Dang it! Oh crap!
Every 20% equals that, so I just figure by time each by 2 or go up by 2.
Yeah, and then
It goes up every 10
Noah, go talk about it.
I got my answer, which is
Don't stop that video. Daniel, get the microphone.
50.
Awesome job, Daniel. Get the microphone to Noah and the next Ryan Leroy.
to Noah.
Ben has something similar too. Just draw your stuff right next to Daniel's, and that lane's fine. Explain what you're doing there.
Well,
You probably have to write larger, but when you use those pens, you have to write big.
Well, what I'm doing is it says in that problem, 20% equals 10 pennies, I believe. And so you do 20% until you get 100, and that would be 5 pairs of 10, because 5 pairs of 20 equal up to 100.
So this is what you did. 10 equals 20%.
So you-
How did you get that again?
It said it in the problem.
Oh, this isn't the problem. So then 20
So you
has
go.
to be 40%, right?
So you go until you get to 100%, and then the 10s, you add those up, getting 50
Okay, so then you keep going up.
by 10 and go up by 20%.
So am I going up by 20%? Am I doubling this thing?
No,
Oh.
20%.
Wait, can I put right here?
I did 20% equals 10.
Who's going up? Okay.
Every 20%.
Here, this is more like what you did. 20, right? Another 10.
Yeah, that's how mine shows right
That's
here
60.
too.
Then you had another 10, which is another 80%. Another 10 is 100, right?
Yeah, so it's 50 and 100%.
So that means, there we go. That's 50 pennies.
And 100%.
I just did every 20%.
Ben, what did you do for this one? You did something really cool. Could you just talk and I'll write? Give him the mic. You can just hold the mic. It says 10 equals 1/5. How did you know that?
I knew that because I knew that 20 goes into 100 5 times.
Oh.
1/5 is 20%.
So that's a lot like I did, except he's already using like 1 over 5 and stuff.
Oh, I don't know why I just did that.
So, Mr. Canada, this is kind of like mine, except instead of putting 50 at the bottom, he puts
Right.
the 1 over
And then
5.
so you just kept going until you got to 5/5, which was 50.
Yeah.
That was really smart, man. Really smart. Okay, I heard Owen explaining it in a different. Were you doing it this way?
Owen helped me understand it.
How did you do it, Owen? 20% times 5. Oh, so you showed that 20% is 1/5. So 20% times 5 would be 100%, or all the pennies. So 20% times 5 equals 100. Where did the 10 come from? 10 times 5 is 50. Oh, I get it. That's awesome. Okay, here, stop that.